Yes, it's more than a procedural delay. That failure to tender the medical examination is shockingly irresponsible. If they were serious about fairness, they would have made sure the report was ready. Instead, Kanu's health is left hanging in the balance. NNAMDI Kanu's case adjourned till October 16th, because the Nigerian Medical Association (NNA) hasn't submitted the medical exam report, and now, the very body, supposed to provide an independent medical examination can't deliver. What does that say about Nigerian judicial system? Alright, let's walk through what's supposed to happen. The court Omotosho had previously ordered the NNA to constitute an 8 to 10 member expert panel including a cardiologist, neurologist, and also ensure the chief medical director of the national hospital is on the committee. The panel's mandate: visit the DSS medical facility to judge if it's capable of treating Kanu, decide whether he should be transferred to the national hospital, assess whether he is medically fit to stand trial. The report was to be filed within 8 days, but that deadline came and went. At today's sitting, the DSS counsel told the court that the NNA's report wasn't ready, hence the adjournment. But what is still rolling like football, in my eyes, is why the defense team of NNAMDI Kanu did not oppose the adjournment. Omotosho then fixed October 16th for the report's submission and further proceedings. But that's precisely the loophole. What if the NNA drags its feet again? What guarantee does Kanu, or the public, have that justice won't be delayed indefinitely, under the pretense of pending medical report? Also, think, the federal government earlier opposed his transfer to the national hospital, claiming the DSS facility is adequate, and accusing private physicians' reports of exaggeration. So there's a tug-of-war over which medical authority is credible. And in the middle of that tug-of-war is Kanu's body, possibly deteriorating, vulnerable, maybe scared. Imagine being in his shoes, asking for proper medical assessment, being heard, but then the medical body you depend on can't, or won't deliver. It's heartbreaking. Questions. Right to health and life. Even suspects in criminal trials have the right to adequate medical care. If one is unfit to stand trial, forcing onward could violate fundamental rights. Fair trial, the fitness to plead. The trial can't just go on if the accused is medically incapacitated. Institutional credibility. If NNA, the body of medical professionals, fails this duty, public trust in medical legal intersections is eroded. Checks and balances. The judiciary ordering the medical examination is one thing. The executive or medical bodies obeying and delivering is another. You know, I also see a deeply human side here. We often dehumanize the accused, but behind the name, NNAMDI Kanu is a person, body, heart, cells. If he's truly suffering, whether or not, there's a duty of society to see him medically attended.